Meaning of flat pack.
Flat pack.
Flat pack.
Flat pack.
Flat pack. Flat pack refers to furniture or other items that are sold in a box and require assembly by the buyer. These products are designed to be easily transported and stored, with the individual pieces flattened and packaged in a compact manner. The result of purchasing a flat pack product is typically lower cost due to reduced shipping and storage costs, as well as the convenience of being able to easily transport and assemble the product at home. However, assembly can often be time-consuming and labor-intensive, requiring careful attention to instructions and the use of basic tools.